Yes, Max, I heard you snoring. I know, you probably say you don't snore. Oh, look at those eyebrows. Go back to sleep.